Everybody, and I was thinking maybe I should buy a new car because I was talking to this guy on the phone and he said he would give me a car and for pretty cheap, only $1,000. And it's an kind of old Jeep. We're gonna ride on my skateboard there. And let's just talk while we're riding. Whee! I think it's down here, he said. Hold up. Stop. Alright, he said it was down here somewhere. It was down the trail. I'm probably gonna still have that other car, but this car is gonna be faster. Oh wait, I just skipped past it. He said it has one turbo. It's not like it's a racing car. Here it is. Alright. Let's see. Should we just leave the money on the ground, you guys? Yeah, let's just leave the money right here. Alright, and let's get in the car. Whoa, this thing is fast. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This thing is fast. I like it. Way faster than my other car, right? Pretty good at off-roading. Let's see if I can make this jump. Wee-hee! Alright. Whoa. Alright, let's take a shortcut back home. Well, like I say in every video, like and subscribe. And that would be really good. Up the corner. Up here. Oh, wait, oopsies. Must have left the garage door open. Alright. Let's get in here. And boom. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And subscribe.